Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos like this. This is a very quick video. A lot of people always say you're making creams for light skin and all of that. What about like caramel dark skin? And so today I'm going to make a very quick one on that. So most times we mistake caramel with dark skin. Caramel isn't dark skin. Caramel is just the shade that is in between. I'll try to leave a picture of what caramel looks like. But caramel skin is not that dark. So sometimes people always ask for caramel products and it turns out that the person makes dark skin products. So caramel is in between. They're not completely dark. They're still a little bit bright. And so most times whatever you make for them makes them darker. Okay, so without talking too much, let's get straight into this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful or you learned something from it. Okay, so I'm gonna go quick through my ingredient list. So of course some people will take screenshot of this, help yourself. This is the recipe I'm going to be working with today. I have Miracle White. I have Miracle White, which is my Abon Miracle Spa milk. So this is a base, just like the way you have like Dr. James. They are very good bases for mixing creams. This is very good for mixing lightening creams. We'll mostly use this for like caramel skin tone because it has very nice consistency and it helps to glow the skin as well, which is the same thing as Abon. They are very good bases. I use Dr. James to make my exfoliating lotion. I love this. If you are not a fan of using creams, you will definitely enjoy using if you're not a fan of using scrubs, sorry, you definitely enjoy using this. It will make your creams work better and still help to glow and brighten the skin. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in this video so you guys can see. And so like I was saying, this is Abon white glutathione, 3 times whitening. This cream doesn't whiten. It's just marketing strategy, but it's a very nice solution, a nice base for maintenance and for just mild brightening and all of that. So we're going to be activating it. We're going to be using it to create a caramel lotion. Okay, like I said, caramel isn't dark skin. Caramel is not what you use shea butter for. It will darken them. So we're going to go ahead. So I'm going to be talking about my ingredients as I go, so that I don't waste any time because we're already some minutes in. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of this. You can get this for 2025. Oh yes, like I always say, when I'm making my creams, I don't only just put things in there. I still like to calculate my percentages. So I'm going to be using Miracle White at 50% because it is our base, so it's definitely going to take the highest quantity. So I'm going to be using that 50%, which is 125 grams, because I'm making a 250 ml cream. This cream is cheating on. It's not full, it's just air that is inside, so be mindful of that. For 125. Oh, it smells good. There are different variants actually of this cream, but I always like to get this one. I like the smell. I just like everything about it. So we're a little bit over, but I always say because we have extra things by the side of the container when you want to scoop. So yeah, the next thing on my list is my Pigeon concentrate, Pigeon glutathione concentrate. This has glutathione in it, so it only makes sense to use something that has glutathione in it. Or if you don't have Pigeon, you can use what's it called, Ocean Magic. You can use glutathione, anything that is mild and okay. So I'm going to be using this at 15%. I'm using 15%, so that is 37. You can use it for your creams, your oils, your serums, all of that. It's a very nice concentrate. Okay, so the next thing on my list, I'm going to be adding my Nature White tube. This tube is going to help to, of course, brighten the skin, and yeah, it's just a very mild tube. It has clobetasol. Most of these creams that definitely brighten contain clobetasol. So to tell you, after a period of time, you discontinue, then you pick up from where you left off. Okay. So natural white tube, we're going to be using natural whites at 10%, which is 25 grams of my formulation, which is actually half of this, because this is 50 grams. That is 25 grams. I'm going to like to use my Pharmadem. Pharmadem is for, you know, anti-reaction. This is Miracle Dem tube for anti-reaction. So I'm going to be using at 10%, so that's 25 grams. You can use this, you can use Skin Good, you can use any of this for anti-reaction that comes with some of these creams. Even if you're pro-mixing, you can still be cute about it. Okay. Alright, the next thing on my list is my Belle Eclat Kenako. A lot of people wonder what Belle Eclat is for. I used to think this was for reaction, but no, this is for lightening. It wasn't in French, so you definitely not know a lot. But this is for lightening. This is Belle Eclat Kenako. This is how it comes in. Comes with this. So I assume somebody uses it directly, but I don't use it directly. I put it into my products. So I'm going to be using Belle Eclat at 5%, which is 12.5 grams of my formulation. Just make sure you shake these things before you use them. It's 12.5 grams. So Belle Eclat Kenako is different from the crude Kenako. Crude Kenako helps with the reaction and everything. So I'm going to be using crude Kenako at 2%, which is 5 grams. Oops. I think that is enough. Then I'm going to guys use my charm water. You can use Dr. James Stretch Mark and Pose. This is just to help with firming and making sure that this cream doesn't completely dry out the skin. I'm going to be using at 2.5 grams, which is 1% of my formulation. And then the next thing I'm going to be using is my hyaluronic acid. I like to include hyaluronic acid in my creams because it helps with firming the skin and all of that. Oh, this is glycerin. I'll be back, guys. So this is hyaluronic acid. I'm going to be using this at 1%, which is 2.5 grams. Hyaluronic acid helps with moisturizing. It holds about 1,000 plus molecules of water, so it's really good. It's something you should incorporate into your formulation as you age. So I'm going to be using at 1%, which is 2.5 grams. If you're having problems with dissolving hyaluronic acid, I will link a video here where you can see how I dissolve my hyaluronic acid perfectly. So I'm going to be using my propylene glycol. It's going to help. This is a penetration enhancer. It's going to make sure that this cream, you know, goes into the skin and does the work it's supposed to do. You can choose to use glycerin. That was why I had glycerin or propylene glycol. I like to use propylene glycol. So I'm going to be using propylene glycol 1%, which is 2.5 grams. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix what we've made. So this is our cream. It's more of a lotion. If you feel like the consistency is too light enough, or is too light for you, sorry, you can go ahead to add your base. Make sure it's a thick base. You can add it and it will thicken it up, but it won't make any sense adding more of Arbonne because Arbonne is not too thick like that. It might lighten it up. So as you can see, it's thicker. You can add your organic base. You can add your Dr. James. I like to have Dr. James on the side because it's a very mild base, you know. So guys, this is how you make your base, your caramel cream, sorry. Not base. So this is how you make it. You can use this alongside with this. So when you use this to exfoliate your skin, if you get this from us, I'll tell you how to use it, but when you use to exfoliate your skin, then you can proceed to using your cream. It helps to make sure that your skin is properly exfoliated, and then when you apply your cream, it works nicely for you. All right guys, so this is how it is. If for any reason you have to thicken your base, I would say increase your nature white, because adding base is going to, you know, reduce the concentration. So you can include your nature white or add more nature white, so half of what you added. So if I added 10 or 20% of base cream, I would add 5 or 10% of my cream. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to bottle this up. So this is your cream. So this is our caramel skin body milk. Right, I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.